Dear Shrestha viewers, welcome to Shrestha Gnanadayini. Today our topic is differences between weather and climate. So we are going to clearly understand what is weather and what is climate. In the previous answer, when we were discussing regarding the concepts, we felt weather and climate were similar. But now we are going to understand the thin difference and also the actual difference between weather and climate. So before going into the video, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to Shrestha Gnanadayini, hit the bell icon to get my recent updates and notifications, and like and share it with all your loved ones. Weather and climate. So here the points which I am telling you, remember it carefully. I am just telling very easy points which was filtered, and it's very easy to remember as well. So I am telling it, then I will explain each of them in detail. First point, the first difference between the weather and climate. Weather is a condition of environment. Like any time, wherever you see, now whatever you are having, this is a weather. Any time, any place, any condition. Such like temperature, air conditions, humidity, cloud cover, precipitation, etc. It will remain all the time. So that is the weather which is conditioned same at all the time. Does it change? We have to see. For that we have the measurements. Now what is climate? Climate is a average weather in a place over many years, or average weather usually over 30-year interval. So this is average weather. Climate is average of weather, and then in a place, in a particular place over many years. Okay, so that can be like a 30-year interval, etc. So now I hope you understood the first difference clearly. So now we will understand it more clearly in coming concepts, in the coming points. Now weather is like moment wise. The state of atmosphere is like a geographical area. Of a geographical area, the weather is referred to. Then what is this climate? It is the average weather in a given region. Suppose, what is the climate in Hyderabad? What is the climate in Maharashtra? Like that. Understood? The next point is, the study of weather is called meteorology. Meteorology. Okay. And the study of climate is called climatology. The study of weather is called meteorology, whereas the study of climate is called climatology. And the fourth difference we are seeing, that is like weather can be assessed for a short period, that is for a day or a week, from a meteorological department. But what about climate? The climate is assessed over the course of many years. So many years it is taken. Weather can be assessed in a short period. So today is a cold weather, yesterday it was a hot weather. It can be assessed for a short period and it changes again. But climate is assessed for over a course of many years. It cannot be assessed simply. So that is seen by climatology department and climatologist. So next difference is, now weather is like, it is affected by factors like temperature, humidity, air pressure, cloudiness, precipitation, etc. But whereas climate is affected by what? Temperature and precipitation are the two key factors that influence climate. Only temperature and precipitation in climate. But in weather, it is also included air pressure, humidity, cloudiness, precipitation, etc. So that is another point. And then coming to next point, weather of a place can change in few hours or even very frequently in few minutes. You can see in this seasonal changes. In rainy season, you will see that sometimes it is very sunny climate, suddenly it turns cloudy, then it seems to rain, again it dries up, and again we will get the sun. So this is the small frequent changes that happens within few minutes or hours. We think today there is no rainfall, but by afternoon we have the rain. Some days we think there is a rainfall, but it doesn't seem to rain. So that is about the weather of a place that can change for few hours or few minutes like that. But what about the climate? The climate of a place takes several years to change, and thus it does not change frequently. It does not change frequently for seasons or something like that. For some years it will be in the same way, like hill stations or few places like which is always in the minus degrees, it is always named as cold regions. The climate is always cool. And deserts, it will always remain hot. Understood? Simple difference. Then the last point we have to discuss is whether the condition of atmosphere in a given region over a short period. This you also know, it is only given in the short period. And then climate is like atmosphere behaves typically over a long period. It is very typical to decide. So that is about the differences between weather and climate. It is very easy if you understand. So I hope this video is clear to you and relevant and useful. If so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with all your people, whoever needs it. Thank you.